Hi guys, welcome to Student Lectures. Today I will deal with in a topic processing of plastics, which is in the part of metal forming process. And we must and should know about know what are the processing and what are the plastics. Processing nothing but we know that what are the procedure. Processing nothing but procedure of anything what we can do. Then plastics nothing but it is a soft materials that easily melt at limited or less temperature. Then yeah, let's we will enter into the our topic, the introduction. In this what we know that plastics. Yeah, we also know that what are the plastic means. It is easily melt and it is very soft material like that. But here the plastic is a material consisting of any of a wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic. That means synthetic and semi-synthetic organic means it is a soft or semi-solids. Okay. Plastic is a material consisting of any of wide range of synthetic or semi-synthetic organic that are malleable and can be molded into solid objects of diverse shapes. Yeah, here malleable means we know that malleability, it is a mechanical property of a material that we will drawn easily into a thin wires. Yeah, so the plastics are also we will drawn into the thin wires. Yeah, isn't it or not? So the plastic is widely used in our environment for the derive the shapes. That means diverse shapes what we can have uh, of solid objects. Okay, then it is the plastics are typically organic polymers of high molecular mass, but they often contain other substances. Okay, here the plastics are typically organic polymers. So yeah, we know that the types of plastics, that means thermoplastics and thermosetting plastics, and in that they have, we know that some other different types, that is we have the structures according to their structures. What are those? Addition polymerization and copolymerization. Okay, etc, etc. So and the examples of plastics, we know that PVC, polyvinyl chloride, and polystyrene. These are the plastics of polymers. They are usually synthetic, most commonly derived from the petrochemicals. These are mainly derived from the petrochemicals. So petrochemicals nothing but petroleum and chemicals. Okay, petroleum chemicals. Yeah, and then types of processes of plastics. These are the different types of plastic processing, and the formation of the formation. These are the types of processing. That means the procedure of to this diverse this particular shape. That procedure is also called as processing or that formation procedure or formation. Okay, these are the mainly types of plastic processing. So those are injection molding and blow molding and calendering, thermoforming and compression molding, transfer molding. Okay, these are the six important main most important of molding or plastic forming process. Okay, first one, Injection molding. What are the use of injection molding, or what is the procedure to form a diverse shape in the injection molding? That means it is the hopper, and it is a heaters of both up and down, and it is the hydraulic system. That means we can give here by the motor, we can give the rotating of this screw. It is a screw, and it is the die. These two are die. Yeah, sorry, these two are die. And by this motor we can give here in from the hopper, we can pour mm, the plastic. We can pour the plastic bubbles, or like that, mm, some solid materials, and those material is melt here, and to form, and by this screw, it is a path to go to the die. Here we have the diverse shape. What is the shape we have here? Like that, material with mold we can get. Okay, after the molding processing. Yeah, pressure pressure is kept on the mold until the plastic has cooled sufficiently. Okay, here we can give the pressure by using hydraulic system. Okay, for the mold to be opened and the component ejected. Yeah, we have the component will be ejected. That means output. Okay, these are the materials used. Normally thermoplastics are used in this process. Also, few thermosetting plastics can also be injection molded. Toy made from high impact polystyrene. Polystyrene is nothing but a plastic. That means it is a polymer. It is a plastic. It is a type of plastic. Sorry, it is a type of plastic. And here, normally thermoplastics are used in this injection molding, but sometimes we can also use the thermosetting plastics also. Yeah. Then blow molding. Blow molding nothing but it is the same. The process is plastic formation process is must and should overall same, but a small differences are there. Those are here. We have directly by the extruded die. It is the extruded die, and it is these are the normal dies. It is the extruded die, and here mold closes over Parisian. This is the Parisian, and here by using this the extra material are removing by like this. Okay, and we compressed by the blow pin. We can give the compressed, or we can, that means a compressed air will give by this blow pin. We can give the certain shape. Okay, like this we can get the output, and it is the finish or finished product. Then we can trim here. Okay, like this. First one is paraffin ready. It is the ready of paraffin, and mold closes over paraffin. In this we can close by this paraffin, and the paraffin is inflated to fill mold, and here we give the compressed air, and bottle will be removed, and then we can trim it. Okay, this process is by using this, giving the external force or external compressed air, like this is the blow molding process. Yeah. Then calendaring nothing but it is a by using the rollers, we can give some feedstock. It is a feedstock nothing but where we have some sheet metal, or that is starting, or we have raw material. It is the raw material, like And by this rollers, rollers always rotate one opposite to other. Then we have by through this feed rollers, we have the sheet will be drawn into thin. Okay, the sheet will be drawn into thin. Then it is the ply sheet. From this we can get the normal sheet stock. Okay, the raw material we can derive into the sheet stock. Okay, like this is also same. Yeah. Next we have thermoforming. Thermoforming nothing but it is as same as, but here only one thing is different, that is only by using some different types are there, vacuum and by heaters, etc., etc. But normally the thermoforming means it is by applying the pressure by using the heaters. That means see here, series process for forming thermoplastic sheet or film over a mold by applying the heat and pressure. Yeah, I told this. I'm also told this, heat and pressure. Okay, by using this heat and pressure, we can get the output. What we have the die same shape we can get. Okay. Next, compression molding. That in this we have certain shape and the raw material is here. Okay, here in the die. Okay, then by this upper mold it is the punch. By this we can give the punch. When we can give the punch, then in this cavity we have this, by using this raw material, when we applying the punch, then we can get this molded part. Okay, it is the upper mold half and it is the lower mold half, and this is the raw material and this shape is cavity, and it is the punch. By this we giving the external force, and it is the knockout pin. By this we can push the molded part. Okay. Next, transfer molding. By this it is also very easy. By this transfer molding, the plunger, it is the plunger or yeah, plunger. By this plunger, it is we have raw material, here we have heat, and this material is a transfer. The name is a transfer molding, so it is a transfer to the die. It is the mold cavity or die. To this die it is a transfer by this sprue. Okay, it is transfer, and then here we have a ejector pin. After that we have completed the molding. Then we, by using this ejector pin, we can get the molded part, and this is the heaters. These four are the heaters. Okay. Okay, thank you. Yeah guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you have any doubts, please ask me in the comment box, and please follow me, uh, and I think I will give some what you have or what is used for your future. And also I want to be improved my skills through your cooperation. Thank you guys. Have a nice day.